Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can enable flash notifications on your mobile. So usually when you receive any notification, that notification will be coming up here with a alert sound or the notification sound. This is on the active screen. But when the phone is in locked state, you can enable flash notifications. So there will be actions like camera blinking or the on screen blinking here. So that by default it will be disabled on your mobiles. I'll tell you how you can enable this. Before going that, so this is the customized clock widget I just set on the home screen of my mobile, and this weather widget. If you want this tutorial, you can check in the description, so that you can also keep attractive widgets like this. Okay, first of all, click on your phone settings in order to enable this flash notifications. And first of all, this mobile is Motorola Edge 50 and the OS version is Android 15. So here you'll find something like notifications. Tap on these notifications, and when you scroll down there is an option called flash notifications. You need to open this flash notifications, and by default this screen flash also will be disabled. When you click on enable, you can check the preview here. Okay, assume that your phone is in lock screen and you received a WhatsApp text, and this is the preview. This is how your phone will react. It will show you the flash on the screen, so that you will get to know that you have received something on your phone. And you can enable the camera also, but camera preview I can't show you, but for 2 times the camera has just blinked now. Okay, so you can try, but most of the people may not like this. So yeah, if anyone wants to try just for 1 or 2 days, you can try this. And please do hit a like if you like this video tutorial, and if you feel this video is informative. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.